Namaste, welcome to Achievers News. 7 special trains running through Odisha from Durga Puja till Chhath. Bhubaneswar. During the ongoing festive season, Indian Railways has made special arrangements for the passengers travelling to their native places to celebrate festivals with their families. For the convenience of rail travellers and the clear extra rush of passengers during this festive season, Indian Railways is running 668 trips of 110 special trains from Durga Puja till Chhath Puja this year. Apart from this, augmentation of coaches in regular trains is being done to ensure the berth availability during this festive rush. Special trains have been planned to connect major destinations across the country on railway sectors.